glad to have you in the mine today.
Why is it pitch black? Because it's like the
Well, look at this, folks. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look dirty, but many a poor miner's gone and dug his pick right down into old Mother Earth, only to have a blast of steaming hot mud erupt in his face. It ain't exactly the kind of warm roasting spot. Up over yonder, you can see our lifts and mining cages, the quickest way to reach every level of the mine. And take a look to the right up over here. Yes, sir, folks. That's the world-famous Calico mine glory hole, the site of one of the richest gold strikes in all of recorded history. Now we're heading over an underground lake at the mouth of this here river. When we're not fishing for gold flakes here in the water, we're fishing for those little blind fish you see down there. They ain't never seen the light of day.
Be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted to kingdom come.
Now we're getting to the 3,000-foot level in our square centimeter workshop. This type of modern technology makes all of this deep-earth mining possible. Sure is dark up here. Say, driver, how about a little bit more light? Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of water and about 1,000,000 years to make all these stalagmites on the floor and stalactites on the ceiling. Well, look at that. Old seldom seen Slim's done struck him some gold. Drinks on you, Slim. Let's all think light thoughts up on this here trestle bridge. Keep your hands and arms inside the cars now. Ain't fallen off this mountain since 1880. Never mind that. Let's just hope she's got one more train load in her.
Major main seater, folks, keeping all hands and arms inside the train at all times. We're just waiting on the train in front of us to start moving. Once that train starts moving, we'll start moving. But in the meantime, please remain seated, keeping all hands and arms inside the train at all times.
Look out, folks. We're headed straight into a dynamiting party. This shaft is caving in.
The charges, it's too late! Hurry along!
That was a close one. Looks like we all made it out just in time, thanks to this here engineer's dynamite driving. Y'all get along now. I got work to do. And if you got any claims to stake down there at the assayer's office, tell 'em old Polecat Mahoney sent you.
Welcome back, riders. At this time, it is good to stand on up. That's up on the seat.